Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to edit your photos with mountain filter using Lightroom Mobile. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start editing. Bring the exposure to -0.10. Contrast to 30 and highlights to -80. Shadows to 70. Whites to -80 and blacks to -40. Now go to curve and follow the steps. Bring temp to -4 and tint to -10. Vibrance to 50 and saturation to 6. Now go to color mix. Hue and saturation to -6 and luminance to -12 for red. Hue to -14, saturation to -36 and luminance to 26 for orange. For yellow, bring hue to -90, saturation to -80 and luminance to 20. hue and saturation to -100 and luminance to -20 for green. For aqua, bring hue to 60, saturation to -100 and luminance to -20. For blue, bring hue to -64, saturation to -80 and luminance to 8. Saturation to -100 and luminance to -20 for purple. For magenta, bring hue to 50, saturation to -50 and luminance to -30. Bring texture, clarity, dehaze to 10, vignette to -10 and midpoint to 10. Feather to 80. Now sharpen to 10, noise, color noise reduction and masking to 15. Detail to 40 and smoothness to 60. Now let's try and copy settings to other photos. You might need to change some settings before applying to your photos. Thanks for watching.